Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag in FC26 on PC. Alright, let's begin. If you are experiencing lag stuttering or input delay in FC26, this is usually caused by unoptimized settings or background apps. First, open the game and from the main menu tap on the gear icon. Go to Settings, then Game Settings, and switch to the Display tab. Here, set the frame rate limit. Test different options such as 60, 144, or unlimited, and choose what feels the smoothest. Scroll down and set cutscene performance to full frame rate. Next, open graphics settings and set the preset to auto. This allows the game to adjust visuals based on your system performance. Apply the changes and test the game. Now, update your graphics drivers by visiting the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website. After that, open the Start menu, search for Choose a Power Plan, and select High Performance. Finally, go to the FC26 installation folder. Right-click fc26.exe, open Properties, go to Compatibility, enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations, and apply. Close unused background apps using Task Manager to free up RAM. So that's basically how you can fix lag in FC26 on PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.